Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to basically do like a wash and go, alright, using this Mielle Pomegranate Honey Coil Sculpting Custard. Hi guys, sorry about that. So I was on a Zoom call, but I still had to do something because I have to go places. Oh, that's my mom. And basically what I'm going to do is blow dry my hair because it's like super wet and I have to go outside and it's really cold and I already have like a little cold and I don't want to catch pneumonia. So I'm just going to do this for about 5 minutes just so my scalp can be dry. Like I don't care about the ends, it's just my scalp. Okay, so here it is. I love it. I actually love it. Oh my gosh. So I had no idea what this was going to turn out. Like, I didn't know what was going to happen. I didn't know if my hair was going to be defined, if my hair was going to look trashy. But despite having some of the, what do you call it? Like, heat damage and the straight ends, it actually curled up, which is good. I mean, you got a little, like, here or whatever, that's a little stringy. But it's not, like, bad. I mean, it's whatever. But I am feeling it. It's moving now. It wasn't as hard as what I thought it was going to be. I guess I kept it wet and I used like hella lot of products, but it's very much more defined now. Okay, yes, it's a lot more defined, which I like. So I'm not feeling self-conscious or like, why does my hair look like it's a big frizz ball? So I would definitely recommend it. Now the trick is sleeping on this bad boy. How is this going to work? How do I maintain this style without flattening it? And then, unless I have to wet it all over again and put more product in, which I guess maybe that's what I have to do. But we're definitely going to try this hairstyle again, and definitely going to probably try another product to see if it gives any more definition. But I'm really satisfied with the products. I'm really satisfied with the definition. It is what it is. So, hey, kudos for me. Hope you all liked it. Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any other ideas, just comment below. Alright, later.